The 2026 high-horsepower tractor market is shifting focus. While peak power continues to climb, the industry is prioritizing mechanical durability and simplified technology. Today, we're looking at the 300-plus horsepower machines from the major manufacturers, focusing on the specific updates and trends for the 2026 season. At the top of the power scale is the CLAAS Steiger 785. It produces 853 peak horsepower, but the more significant update is in the drivetrain. To handle the increased torque, CLAAS IH is now using shot-peened gears in the PS6 transmission for better durability, a change that is now standard across the Steiger line. New Holland's T9 series is moving away from subscription-based precision tech. Through the PLM intelligence platform, data sharing and remote diagnostics are now included in the base package. They've also updated the Cursor 13 engine to improve fuel efficiency and extend service intervals to 1,800 hours. John Deere's 2026 updates center on the 9RX 830, delivering 913 peak horsepower. The JD18X engine is designed to meet final Tier 4 standards without diesel exhaust fluid, which reduces both maintenance steps and the potential for sensor failure. These machines also ship from the factory autonomous ready, with the necessary hardware pre-installed for future software integration. Fendt continues to use its low engine speed concept in the 1100 Vario MT. By reaching maximum torque at lower RPMs, it reduces fuel consumption and engine wear. For 2026, they've added a self-cleaning air filter system to extend maintenance intervals in dusty conditions. Massey Ferguson's 9S series offers up to 425 horsepower. Its main feature is the Protect U design, which leaves a 15-centimeter gap between the engine and the cab. This reduces heat, vibration, and noise for the operator. The CLAAS Xerion 12 series remains a specialized four-wheel drive platform, focusing on weight distribution for large air drills. Deutz-Fahr maintains its flagship 9340 TTV, which uses a twin-turbo engine and a ZF CVT to balance high-speed transport with field power. Versatile is staying with a simplified mechanical design. The 620 DT uses standard Cummins and CAT components for easier serviceability. JCB continues to lead in road speed with the Fast-Track 8330, reaching 44 miles per hour. Finally, for operations requiring a lower cost per horsepower, the MTZ Kiraviets K744 provides a strictly mechanical alternative. The 2026 market is defined by reinforced internals, simplified emission systems, and a shift toward open data platforms. These updates aim to make high-horsepower machines easier to maintain over a longer service life. For more details and full specifications on these models, visit grainnews.ca.